Here are 5 ways to achieve your dream goals. Set clear and specific goals. Define your dream. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve. Break it down. Divide your goal into smaller, actionable steps. Set SMART goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create a detailed action plan. Identify tasks. List the specific tasks needed to reach each step. Prioritize. Determine the most important tasks and focus on them first. Set deadlines. Assign deadlines to each task to stay on track. Develop a positive mindset. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goal. Practice positive affirmations. Repeat positive statements about yourself and your abilities. Stay motivated. Find inspiration in books, quotes, or role models. Take consistent action. Start small. Begin with small steps and gradually increase your efforts. Build momentum. Consistency is key to achieving your goals. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge your progress to stay motivated. Seek support and accountability. Share your goals. Talk to friends, family, or a mentor about your dreams. Join a community. Connect with like-minded people for support and encouragement. Accountability partner. Find someone to check in with regularly on your progress. Remember, achieving your dream goals takes time and effort. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep taking action, and you'll be well on your way to success.